Alright guys, this is an unboxing video. Got a pretty cool thing right here I ordered from Amazon. I mean, this thing, for being from Amazon or eBay, whatever, really good quality. I'm kind of doing this in my car because I'm getting ready to leave, but I ordered two things. But this little thing right here, let's open it up and see what is inside. So, yeah, shiny red. Okay, let's get that. So, I got a short shifter. Figure that out later. And it came with a silver shift knob with the red numbers. Let's see if it bolts up to my stock shifter. Long threads. Let's see. And not really. There's still a bunch of threads there. Yeah, that's all she'll do with that one. I'll have to put that other one on there. Anyways, there's that one. Alright, so I showed you the short shifter. I gotta show you the big box. I already opened it earlier. I was excited. So I have to wrap it like 8 wraps with electrical tape. I got this from Amazon and I had my doubts about it, but I already opened it and looked at it, and surprisingly, the fabrication and just the way this thing is built, it's pretty amazing. Like the welds, everything, they're just, it's pretty good quality. Like from buying from something from Amazon, I mean, it's just really good quality than what you would think. You guys ready? Bubble wrap. I bought bubble wrap. I mean, this shit, I mean, it's perfect for sound deadening. I mean, and especially for when you have like a really low car, you can put this stuff on, and if you hit a bump too hard, this stuff, it pops and lets you know. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Haha, very fun. Let's pull this out, see what we got. Alright. So, yes, I bought a stainless catback exhaust. See if we can take the plastic off. This thing, it's pretty heavy. I mean, the welds are really, like, really well. I don't know if you can see those welds, but they're really good. Mandrel bent tubing. It comes with all the hardware, all the gaskets. The gaskets and grade 8 bolts, that's nice. But this is my favorite part. The tip. Now some people might say, oh, that's such a ricer exhaust. Well, they might be right, but I really like burnt tip exhausts. This, I mean, this is just, I think it looks so freaking amazing. Yeah, don't know how well these are gonna line up. I mean, we'll see. This part's pretty cool too. Look at. Can you Spec D tuning? Of course, it comes with the silencer in there, but that's gonna go. Yeah, I mean, that's a nice exhaust. I think it looks pretty darn amazing. Actually, I'm gonna go put these back on just so this part doesn't get scratched. I don't want this to get scratched. I mean, I know it's gonna get scratched once it's on my car, but that's a different story. So, full catback exhaust. So it comes with the tailpipe or muffler, a high flow resonator, pretty hollow in there, and then the last piece comes with this S-pipe. It's really good condition. It's built pretty well. I'm really surprised for Amazon. I mean, this quality is just, the welds are nice. It's actually really good quality steel. How do I get these back in the box though? That's the question. And that's the end of the unboxing video, guys. I mean, I'm not too happy about the shifter, but that can be fixed. But this exhaust is really nice for what I paid for it. It's really nice. Alright guys, comment, like, subscribe, and that's the end of this video. See you later.